Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Lemma Dental Clinic in Istanbul, Turkey. Dental implants are one of the most reliable solutions for replacing missing teeth, but sometimes patients may experience a loose implant or a loose implant crown. In today's video, we'll explain the possible causes of a loose dental implant and the treatment solutions available to fix the problem. What is a dental implant? A dental implant is a titanium post that is surgically placed into the jawbone to replace the root of a missing tooth. After the implant integrates with the bone, a dental crown is placed on the top to restore the appearance and function of the tooth. What does a loose dental implant mean? When patients say their implant feels loose, it can mean different things. In some cases, the implant itself may be unstable in the bone. However, in many situations, it is actually the crown or the small connecting component called the abutment that it has become loose. Common causes of a loose implant. There are several reasons why an implant or its crown may become loose. One common cause is a loose abutment screw, which connects the crown to the implant. Another possibility is excessive pressure from gritting or clutching to the teeth, which can gradually affect the stability of the restoration. In rare cases, bone loss around the implant, known as pre-implantitis, can cause the implant to become unstable. How dentists fix a loose implant? The treatment depends on the cause of the problem. If the crown or abutment screw is loose, the dentist can usually tighten it or replace the component. If the crown is damaged, a new custom crown may be created and attached to the implant. In cases where there is an infection or bone loss, additional treatment may be required to restore the health of their surrounding tissues. Why professional care is important? If you notice that your dental implants feel loose, it's important to see a dentist as soon as possible. Early diagnostics can prevent further complications and protect the longer-term success of the implant. Dental implant care in Turkey. At Lemma Dental Clinic in Istanbul, experienced implant specialists use advanced diagnostic tools and modern techniques to evaluate and treat implant-related issues. The goal is to restore both the stability and functionality of the implant. If you have any questions about dental implants or need professional advice, the team at Lemma Dental Clinic is here to help. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave your questions in the comment below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you maintain a healthy and confident smile.